In this module, we will learn about how doctors can participate in the ABDM initiative. At the end of this learning module, you will be able to understand the steps to be followed by doctors to participate in ABDM. Understand the technology requirements to get ABDM enabled. Let's get started. Meet Dr. Sarika, a gynecologist who runs her own clinic and does not have any health management information system or HMIS. She recently learned about the ABDM and is excited to participate. Let's see how Dr. Sarika and other doctors can participate in ABDM initiative by following two simple steps. Step 1. Create an HPID and facility ID. The first step is to register on the ABDM site and generate the Healthcare Professional ID. Visit the ABDM website and create the HPID. Log in as Facility Manager to register the facility at HFR and get Facility ID. The process of HPID and Facility ID creation is already explained in detail in the previous module. Once Dr. Sarika creates her HPID and Facility ID, the next step is to use an ABDM-enabled Health Management Information Systems or HMIS. Dr. Sarika has the option either to get or develop an in-house HMIS and make it ABDM-enabled or get an HMIS that is already ABDM-enabled. As developing an in-house HMIS and making it ABDM-enabled is time-consuming and might be costly. Dr. Sarika visits the ABDM partner site and reviews the list of ABDM-enabled HMIS and their features. She also refers to the Minimum Viable Products MVP guidance document for ABDM-enabled HMIS. Tips for selecting an appropriate HMIS application is explained in the following module. She compares the various options and selects an HMIS application that is affordable and best fits the needs of her clinic. After selecting HMIS, Dr. Sarika makes an implementation plan with the concerned HMIS team or provider, followed by training to use such application. Once Dr. Sarika completes the HMIS setup, she can begin using ABDM. Step 2. Use an ABDM-enabled HMIS. The HMIS is an application that allows the doctors and their staff to register a patient using their Aadhaar, access health record from other facilities, example, other hospitals, labs, etc., store health records in digitized format, share health records with other healthcare facilities, provide e-prescriptions, clinical notes, and treatment. Other features such as creating a favorite list, speech to text, etc. as may be made available by the HMIS provider. ABDM has several software partners that are already integrated in its ecosystem and new ones are getting added every day. National Health Authority is actively working with industry partners and government organizations to make more healthcare software applications compatible with ABDM and join the ABDM ecosystem. All applications in the ABDM ecosystem can share information with each other based on patients' consent. In summary, getting started on ABDM journey is simple. The selection and implementation of HMIS application will likely take the most effort. In case facility is already using an HMIS, the technical team of the facility can register on ABDM Sandbox and follow the process to make their HMIS ABDM enabled. In addition to the steps discussed, it is also important to consider the following factors for efficiently implement the HMIS. Ensure staff and doctors are fully trained to use the HMIS. Ensure that the staff and doctors are using the HMIS application to complete health records. Ensure that reliable electricity and internet connection along with backup are in place. Ensure that you are using the updated version of HMIS application. Let us summarize the points covered in this module. Doctors must be registered on HPR and facility on HFR along with unique identity. The hardware and software requirements need to be met as suggested by NHA MVP guidelines. The ABDM-enabled HMIS are available at the partners page. The sandbox page may be reviewed by the technical team to make in-house HMIS as ABDM enabled. For more information on ABDM, visit the ABDM website and follow us on our social media handles.